Love and kindness are free. Yan ang paniniwala ng ilang Sparkle stars na naging bahagi ng advocacy campaign ng Sparkle GMA Artist Center na Click Kindness. Makichika tayo kay Athena Imperial.
Positive ang paglulunsad ng Sparkle GMA Artist Center sa bago nitong advocacy campaign. Ito ang Click Kindness campaign na layong palaganapin ng positivity at compassion online. Patunay ang Sparkle artists na nakakahugot sila ng inspirasyon mula sa encouraging online posts, comments, and messages.
I still receive messages from people, especially from women, who they think and see me as their strength. And they see my bravery, and I really appreciate that.
Nalilift off yung mood ko, nakakalimutan ko na ay pagod pala ako sa work. So it's even sa word na yun na nakalaking impact na.
Pero hindi lang ito para sa mga artista, kaya ikinakampanya nilang maging ganito sa lahat ng tao. Pwede naman nilang makatulong ang mga pagpuna kung constructive. Kaya dapat matutong kumilatis sa kung ano ang mga pakikinggan.
Pagkatingin mo na medyo foul at masakit yung sinasabi, parang magandang wag na lang natin pansinin.
Pagbibigay diin pa ng kapuso artists, maging sensitibo sa mga sinasabi at pinopost online dahil hindi natin alam ang pinagdaraanan ng bawat isa.
Love and kindness is free. We can easily give it and receive it. So I hope magawa po natin yun araw-araw.
We encourage people to be positive, to stay positive, and bring out the best in each other when it comes to the postings on social media. It's very much healthy, makaka-create pa tayo ng mas magandang community with this, and we can use our platforms for the benefit of the common good.
Athena Imperial updated sa Showbiz Happenings.